Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you why is your BOSE SoundLink Home speaker so quiet. So actually the issue might be that your speaker is damaged. First check, you go to auto service and check if your speaker works. If it does and nothing is wrong, but you plug in your speaker to your phone and something's wrong, try to click the pause button to increase the volume level and then play your music. As you can see, mine works. But if yours still doesn't, you have to clear the Bluetooth pairing list by holding this Bluetooth button for at least 10 seconds and pair your phone back again. This will fix your issue. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye!